In this video, you will learn how to add borders in Excel. To begin, select the cells where you want to add borders. You can easily click and drag over the desired cells with your mouse. Once you've selected your desired cells, navigate to the top of your screen where you'll find several tabs. Click on the Home tab if it isn't already selected. Now that you're in the Home tab, look for the font group located towards the middle of the ribbon. Here, you'll see an icon that resembles a square divided into 4 sections. It represents borders. Next to this icon is a small downward arrow. This is crucial. Clicking on it reveals additional border options. After clicking the downward arrow next to the borders option, a drop-down menu will appear displaying various choices. For most users looking for simplicity and clarity, selecting all borders is often ideal as it applies lines around each individual cell within your selection. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.